So let's talk about determining if the dual radio mounting plate is going to be compatible with your setup. Now the first thing to note is that the dual radio mounting plate is not a standalone product. It is an upgrade for the SKYMO mount bases, some examples of which are shown here. So here's the mount base for part number 20126A, and here's an example of the single radio mounting plate that comes with most SKYMO radio mounts. And this is the part that the dual radio mounting plate replaces. So we can set that aside, and this is going to bolt just like this to your mount base. The anti-vibration bar then sits on top. Now most SKYMO radio mounts, and the mount base in particular that comes with the radio mount, are going to be compatible with this dual radio mounting plate. At the time of recording, the only notable exception is the dashboard mount, which uses a mounting plate that looks like this, and this cannot be replaced by the dual radio mounting plate. For an up-to-date list of any other products that may not be compatible, check the product description for the dual radio mounting plate on SKYMO.com. The second thing to note is that because our dual radio mounting plate is significantly wider than the standard single radio mounting plate, we strongly recommend measuring your intended installation area before purchasing. While this dual radio mounting plate can physically bolt to nearly all SKYMO radio mount bases, vehicle space constraints may affect fitment. And this is especially important to take into consideration because some of the SKYMO radio mounts can fit multiple locations on the console, some of which may be compatible with the wider plate and some of which may not. And just as an example, this is part number 20102A with the dual radio mounting plate mounted to it, and this mount base can fit any of these three cup holders in the console. So if you intended to put it on the far left cup holder, for example, well, the dual radio mounting plate is now extending into your seat and it's just not going to work here. But if you're okay having it in the middle, it's going to work just fine. So how can you go about determining if this is going to work for the radio mount that fits your vehicle? Well, the first thing to know is that the dual radio mounting plate is 15 inches wide, which means from the center line here, you need 7.5 inches of clearance to either side for it to fit. So the first thing I'd recommend doing is looking at the product description and product photos on SKYMO.com to determine where in your vehicle your mount base is going to be sitting. Now, of course, if you haven't purchased your radio mount yet, you won't have this as an example. But what you can do is take a tape measure, and for example, for this mount, you will determine that it can fit any of these three cup holders. So just take 15 inches out of the tape measure, line up the 7.5 inch mark where you want your mount base to be, and that'll give you a good idea of whether or not there is clearance in the spot that you intend to mount your mount base with the dual radio mounting plate attached. And I should note too, if you have any questions about this or you want some further guidance, please feel free to reach out to support@skymo.com and we'll be happy to help.